Hey guys, it is Monday here in the Philippines, and we are going to call this Mini GT Monday because we have an older LBWK GT-R R35 to unbox for you guys, and this is one of the more desirable ones in white. There's quite a few white GTRs from Mini GT nowadays. The R35 LBWK, I think there's probably 5 or 6 different ones with various body kits and such. But this seems to be one of the harder to find ones, along with number 9, which is a satin white, which has the version 1 body kit with the high wing. And it's the only release that has a red-lipped Forgiato wheel. So it's kind of a cool one and such. And this one, however, is, I think, the first white one with the version 2 kit and version 3 wing. So we're going to take a look at him. This is number 68 if you do try to locate this one. And it is an actual picture of the diecast and not a real car. And it's LB Works Nissan GT-R in white. LB Liberty Walk there, Mini GT, TSM model on this end cap. Nothing on that end cap. On the bottom, you have your warning because of choking hazard, your recommendation of 14 and older because it isn't a collector model. On the top side, you have your collector model number, which is number 68. On the back side, you have your licensing for Nissan, licensing for TSM, and the holographic sticker. That means it's legit. And we're going to find Mini GT online and on Facebook and Twitter. This is before they started their IG account. Actually, if you notice, their IG account is not Mini GT 64. Somebody stole that actually before they could register on IG. Somebody took that name. So on IG, it's Mini GT Official. So if you go looking for them on IG, that's what it is. So as I was pointing out before about the kit. So this is your LB Works Nissan GT-R R35 Type 2. And this is your rear wing version 3, white left-hand drive. I'm not sure, this may have been available in your right-hand drive variant too. I'm not sure on that. But yeah, right now there are a few different kits available. There's the version 1 kit, the version 2 kit, and then the silhouette kit. So there's 3 different kits. And then with the silhouette kit, there are 2 different wing variants. One that kind of looks like a TRD wing, and then the other one kind of looks like an IndyCar style wing. It's very wide with big sides on it. So then you have version 2 kit, which usually always comes with the rear mount type of wing. And we'll show that to you when we get it open. And then the version 1 kit comes with the variants of just ducktail and high wing. And I think I've done a video on the wings and body kits before when I used to have all of the GTRs. So here you have your white GT-R with the version 2 kit and the version 3 wing. But as I said, the version 3 wing you will only find on the version 2 kit. You're not going to find this wing on the version 1 kit or the silhouette kit. This wing will only accompany the version 2 kit, which the version 2 kit is very similar to the version 1, but it has the side skirts and such on it that are very wide and kind of cut up into the front flare. The rear flare is cut up a little bit higher and such, but when you have both of them in your hand, you'll see the differences. They're subtle, but some of them are obvious too, especially on the front flare. This carbon fiber insert louver here, that's pretty obvious and such. And then the little air diffusers on the front, and then that is your differences between like the version 1 and version 2 kits. Now this one does have the carbon fiber hood, which is cool. One of very few white ones with the carbon fiber hood. I think there is one silhouette kit that has a carbon fiber hood too, done in white. This has your Forgiato style wheels. Even on the rear flare, you'll see that it has your Advan and Forgiato co-sponsor decals, and you'll see that it has the trademark phrase in the door, as it always has. Imagine all the people living life in peace. And then really nicely detailed front grille and intercooler area. You have your acrylic headlight lenses, as always. And then the mirrors on this one are rubber, and they are pretty durable, but still a little bit rigid, so be careful. And as you can see inside, the interior is very nicely done. You can see the gauge dome there, and where the steering wheel is, it is left-hand drive. And then moving along to the back window, you see all of the co-sponsor decals across the back window. And as you can see how this wing mounts, it mounts on the rear bumper through the rear bumper cover. So very unique how this one mounts. And then you have red acrylic taillight lenses. And then your rear air diffuser. And then your silver or chrome trimmed exhaust tips, nicely detailed base, held together with button heads Phillips screws in case you do want to wheel swap it. It is easy to do with these. So there you have it. That is your number 68 LBWK Nissan GT-R R35 with the version 2 kit. So very nice looking car. We have one coming up in the near future in blue. It's also another one that's getting hard to find and pretty desirable. That's why I'm picking up some of these for whenever I go back to the States to have stock for my shop. But yeah, so these ones are getting a little bit harder to find. I'm going to try to get a couple more of these white ones to bring back with me, and then get a few of the blue ones to bring back with me. That way we have some stock in case any of you guys need one. And we should be back sometime, I think, in April or May, hopefully. We'll see what happens. But guys, I hope you have a great week. That's it for today. I think we'll be back on Wednesday to do a Wagon Wednesday with the Kaido House 510 wagon, one of the first releases in the metallic blue. So we'll be back with that on Wednesday. So enjoy the first part of your week, and I'll see you guys on Hump Day. Thanks for watching.